Aloha everyone! Welcome back to Party of Six Travel. Today we're in beautiful Kauai, Hawaii, and we're about to experience the Na Pali Coast like never before. We're joining Makana Charters on their incredible half-day boat tour aboard the Na Pali Kai III. Let's go! The Na Pali Coast, located on the northwest shore of Kauai, is one of Hawaii's most iconic destinations. Known for its rugged cliffs, lush valleys, cascading waterfalls, and hidden sea caves, it's a place that looks straight out of a postcard. Accessible only by boat, helicopter, or hiking, this remote and pristine coastline offers visitors a chance to connect with nature in its purest form. It's no wonder the Na Pali Coast is a bucket list destination for travelers from all over the world. Hollywood has used the Na Pali Coast for many popular movies over the years, including Jurassic Park, King Kong, Tropic Thunder, and Pirates of the Caribbean. Our adventure began in the morning at a small boat harbor just west of Waimea, where we board the Na Pali Kai III. This sleek and comfortable boat is ready to take us on an unforgettable journey up the breathtaking Na Pali Coast. Makana Charters offers this half-day tour for $169 for adults and $139 for children, making it an awesome way to explore one of the most stunning coastlines in the world. A boat tour like this one is one of the only ways to see these stunning cliffs. There are no roads that access this part of the island, and the terrain is very rugged, so the only other options are an intense hike or a helicopter tour. The boat had plenty of comfortable seating with good views, but shade was a bit limited. There's also a bathroom on board, which was appreciated on such a long trip. Pro tip, if you're someone who gets seasick at all, be sure to bring Dramamine. The water started off deceptively calm, but we encountered choppy waters once we got up the coast. Early on in the tour, we had an incredible encounter with the playful pod of spinner dolphins. They swam right alongside the boat. It was such a magical moment that left everyone on board in awe. As we cruised up the coast, the scenery just took our breath away. Towering cliffs, lush green valleys, and hidden beaches make this place look like something out of a dream. This is one of the highlights of the tour, getting up close to these incredible sea caves. The captain expertly navigates the boat inside, and we get to feel the cool mist of the waves echoing through these natural wonders. And how about this? We even got a little shower from one of the many waterfalls tumbling down the cliffs. It's like nature's way of keeping us refreshed. Makana Charters on the trip takes care of everything, including a tasty sandwich lunch and drinks to keep us fueled for the adventure. On the way back, it was time for snorkeling. We spent an hour exploring vibrant coral reefs and swimming alongside colorful tropical fish. The water was warm, clear, and absolutely perfect. Gear is provided, including floaties, which was both a big help for the kids and a great way for the adults to lounge in the water. This tour was everything we hoped for and more. Makana Charters really knows how to deliver an unforgettable experience on the Na Pali Coast. If you're visiting Kauai, this is a must-do adventure. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel adventures. If you've been on this tour or are planning to, let us know in the comments below. Mahalo for watching, and see you in the next video.